Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're covering miles 160 to 135 of I-49 South in the state of Missouri. We begin in the town of Harrisonville, the county seat of Cass County. Harrisonville was founded in 1837 upon land donated to Cass County by Congress and was named for Congressman Albert G. Harrison, who was instrumental in obtaining the land grant. The town was incorporated in 1851. Harrisonville had an estimated population of 10,078 as of 2019. The town has an area of 10.01 square miles and lies at an elevation of 958 feet or 292 meters above sea level. Within Harrisonville, we see brief concurrencies with Missouri Highways 2 and 7. The section of highway that we're on throughout Missouri officially became Interstate 49 on December 12, 2012. I-49 wasn't part of the original 1957 Eisenhower Interstate Plan, but residents of Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana began campaigning for the highway in 1965 via the US 71 I-29 Association. The campaign called for I-29 to be extended south from Kansas City to New Orleans, following much of the route along US 71. The plan called for creating a limited-access expressway from New Orleans to the Canadian border and on to Winnipeg via Manitoba Highway 75. When I-49 is complete, the goal of the association will have been accomplished, with only a brief gap served by other interstates or US 71 and name change in Kansas City. The highway is not named I-29 because of interstate naming rules. The rules state that north-south roads are odd-numbered and the highways are named in increasing order from west to east. Since there is an I-35 and an I-45 to the west and an I-55 to the east, I-49 was chosen. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We passed through the city of Archie, which had an estimated population of 1,207 as of 2018. Archie was platted in 1880 and named after Archie Talmadge, the son of a railroad official. A post office has been in operation at Archie since 1880. On August 10, 1932, a meteorite fell near Archie that received national attention. A fragment is on display in the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History in Washington, D.C. The name of the meteorite is Archie. Archie hosts an annual tractor pull in September, which is now in its 28th year. Archie also hosts the longest-running high school basketball tournament in the state, which is nearing its 90th year. As we leave the city limits of Archie, we enter Bates County. The county was organized in 1841 and named after Frederick Bates, the second governor of Missouri. As of 2018, Bates County had an estimated 16,320 residents. We passed through the city of Adrian, which was platted in 1880 when the Missouri Pacific Railroad was extended to that point. Some say the city was named by settlers who hailed from Adrian, Michigan, while others believe that the city was named after Adrian Talmadge, the son of a railroad official. A post office has been in operation in Adrian since 1880. Adrian had an estimated population of 1,607 as of 2018. Exit 136 leads to the I-49 business route that goes through the village of Butler and then through the county seat of Passaic to the south. We conclude today's video here at mile 135. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.